JDCap26, Tips and Fears and Hobbies. Welcome to my channel. And we've got a Bob Allen rifle case review, so let's get to that next. Stay tuned.
This is an Allen rifle case, and it's made out of canvas. It's got a zipper with a tag on it. It's about a 1mm zipper. It's got another, and it's got a lot of room in there. I would say about 10 inches to put things in there, that pocket. It's got a zipper here, side zipper, and that is a little bit smaller. Put things in right there. Pretty tough material right here. It's got a see-through pocket right here, and you open it up. You put shooting glasses in there, or gloves, or both. It's got a hook if you want to hang it up in your room. Hook it up, hang it up on a hook. And this is unique for the pull. It's got a plastic like ring, finger ring, to open up the interior of the case. Okay, let's look at the interior. The interior is about 44 inches, and I'll have all the specs and descriptions in the link where to get this in the description below. This is about 2 inches of padding. That's ample padding, I would say. You could always put a gun stock over your rifle and put it in the case if you really want to protect it even more, but it'll protect it. So let's close it like this. It's got this handle, which is neat. It's got this Velcro closure handle like that. It provides good ample grip. On the back side, it's got a carrying strap, which is adjustable for your shoulder, so you can carry it on your shoulder if you want to. It's got two hooks on each side. Got a hook down here, and it's got even a metal hook down here. See the metal hook? So that's the Allen, or Bob Allen, case. Show you a close-up of the zipper here. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Please rate and subscribe. And we'll see you next time. Bye for now.